Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can filter out Canva Pro graphics, photos, and videos with just one code, okay? If you are using the free version, you have access to limited elements, items, and icons, right? To filter out Pro icons, items, or elements, you just need to apply a simple code. After creating your account, this is the interface, and I have opened a page. You need to go to Elements, and just type for brand BAAAP 7RQ8M. Then go to the search, and now you can see all the Pro items have been removed. All these are free ones, so you can pick whatever you want. And it's the same with photos.
These are the free photos. You can choose whichever you like.
Also with frames, if you go with frames like this, you can simply filter out any Pro items so you don't waste time figuring out which one is Pro and which one is free. So yeah, that's a simple way to filter out Canva Pro items. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.